In this segment of the news, we provide you with some information on education. Did you know that Jamaica offers four main levels of education? We start off with early childhood. This covers kindergarten, basic, and privately owned preschools. They cater to children from the ages of 1 to 6 years old. Primary school prepares young children for secondary education and serves children between the ages of 6 and 12 years old. Formerly, students would take the Common Entrance exam to determine their placement at the secondary level. However, this was replaced in 1999 by the Grade 6 Achievement Test. I'm so glad I did the Common Entrance. It was so much easier. Then children move on to the secondary level, which provides a wide range of subjects for students between the ages of 12 and 18 years old. Students are prepared for the world of work or for further studies at the tertiary level. Secondary schools are usually comprised of five grade levels, from 1st to 5th form or grade 7 to 11, and students are required to sit the Caribbean Examination Council's exams. Students then have the option to move on to 6th form, which is 2 years of study, within which time the student will sit the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Exam, the CAPE, or have the option to sit A-level exams. Then students move on to the big school, the tertiary level education. This usually requires that students amass a certain amount of subjects at the CXC CAPE and or A levels. There are several colleges at which students can attain certificates or diplomas if they do not have the necessary subject requirements to enter a university. The universities offer undergraduate and postgraduate degrees. Distance learning at the university level is offered by the University of the West Indies Open Campus, which is my school. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in youth development work. Thank you for listening. See you next time.